And those of you who have attended the lecture, the formula that we use is Vt is equal to V1 N1 plus V2 N2. This is when you are looking at the total volume. If you are looking at the molar volume, then you, instead of using the N1, it becomes X1, mole fraction. So today your experiment is on water and what?
Ethanol.
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 Ethanol. Why we are using these two liquids? Miscible. Remember, partial molar volume in terms of free energy is used only in miscible liquid. Why? Because of some interaction that will be taking place. So you are asked to prepare, right? You are asked to prepare a series of solutions using the mode ratio that is given in your lab manual. So the formula that you are going to use is V total is equal to N1 V1 plus N2 V2. So what is given in your manual? Mole fraction or mole? Remember in one table there?
Yes. Mole fraction.
So here you will be using V dash. That means we are trying to find the molar volume of 1 mole of the solution. So how many of you have did the calculation before coming to the class? And nobody had the tendency to come and ask me last week and say, "Sir, next week we are going to give the partial molar lab. How do we do this calculation?" See, this is where my point is coming. You are not bothered. Come this side. All of you are crowding in that corner. And remember, if you were supposed to be working today, and 8 o'clock your work starts, and that information was important for you to start the day. What will happen? You would come in and feel time, but your pay should be given. Yes or no? That's why you see many of our graduates are now ending up picking up foods. Because in food picking you don't have to think. You wake up in the morning and start. And even though they can't work hard, they come back and say it's a modern day slavery. You know, so they used to know it's a modern day slavery, we are making us go up work. You realize what hard work is? Nothing we given free like this. Sometimes you really need to understand, like you need to do your part in terms of being a student. If I come and tell you how to do the calculation, then you are just like a robot. Program it and you do. And I am not saying this just because you are in my class. In another 6 weeks' time, I won't be seeing you. You are going to be individual person going out into the society. If we have this kind of attitude, then what will happen to the future generation? That's the reason why I keep on pushing you this thing. You need to ask yourself, I am a student, I have to go to the lab tomorrow and I don't know how to do this is part of my pre-lab. If I go there, what will happen? You know, that thing should come from within, it shouldn't be taught. And we are always in our office. Me, only Robert, we are always in our office. You could have just come and asked, we would have given you guidance on one and the remaining one you could have done it. Yes or no? Anyway, you do the calculation, but the problem in today, for that calculation, you don't know what is your V1 and what is your V2. So what we will do, we will assume that the molar volume for water will be the partial molar volume. And the molar volume for ethanol will be the partial molar volume for all the calculations. So can you do it quickly now? If the mole ratio for water or ethanol is given, you should be able to find the mole ratio for the other one by subtracting from 1. And the molar volume for water, which is 1819, is written in your manual. And the molar volume for ethanol is also given, which is again given in your manual. Use that and do the calculation.